They are playing politics with people. Big men are eating money at the above there.
Saying that we should not even do
that we should not go after them. That is for me.
Okay.
This is the full information for you people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You spoke well.
Yes.
Yes, I will appreciate you.
Yes.
Big
Come now.
Coordinator, not they come here. Or that coordinator, not they come here. We not need coordinator again. How many coordinators don't come here when we say they're not? Or that we not they sick. I said no lie. No lie. No lie. No lie. We got tired. We got tired. We don't want to see the coordinator. We don't want to see him. We don't want to see him.
Come here.
Okay. Okay.
Please, I beg.
Yes.
Come here now.
You make sense. I withdraw my speech. I withdraw my speech. Me, I withdraw my speech.
That area of politics has gone.
Okay.
No surrender, no retreat.
No, thank you.
We remain firm.
Thank you.
I am the admin officer. I am the admin officer.
Thank you.
No surrender, no retreat.
Thank you very much.
That area of politics is gone. The first coordinator that brought us to this ground, he left. The second coordinator, he left. This time around, they bring the third one. He's trying to play politics with us. That area of politics is gone.
You are welcome,
not going to respect them. Let our changes be done.
Okay.
Without allowance, we block this town.
Thank you.
Enough is enough.
We are here.
Enough is enough.
Thank you.
They are playing politics with people like the domos into this ground. With that armor, with that ammunition. We have to cop this very particular area within a tinkle of a second. I know what Kandavos can do.
Good or fine?
I know what Kandavos can do.
Good to go.
How many parties are inside this bush?
Good to go.
Play politics.
They are playing politics with people. Big men are eating money at the above there.
Saying that we should not even do
That we should not go after them. That is for me.
Okay.
This is the full information for you people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You spoke well.
Yes.
Yes, I will appreciate you.
Yes.
Big time.
I'm not a coward.
God will reward you.
I've been vetting my mate for more than 7 months now. Yes.
Amen. As they talk me, they'll do it.
Let us see it on
Enough is enough. Enough is enough. No allowance will come. How many more? Same good more. No enough for self. It's running away from me now. And government don't hear. Now, please let the God, let the authority, let them answer our problem. Give us all this protest.
Amen. Amen and amen.